Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to translate incoming phone calls on your iPhone in iOS 26 or later. Live translation is an all new feature that can translate incoming phone calls from one language to another. Especially when chatting with a person who speaks a foreign language, this feature can come in pretty handy. That said, let's get started. So, first, you have to pick up an incoming phone call on your iPhone as usual. And when a call is in the progress, just tap on the triple dot button and choose the live translation option in the menu, and you're all set. You can then select the language that you want to translate from the language spoken by the person you are talking to and the language that you want to translate to your language. As of now, live translation for the phone app supports English, French, German, Portuguese, and Spanish. When a translation is in progress, you'll see a small notice at the bottom of the phone app that says translating language, and there will be live transcript of the phone call. An AI voiceover will audibly translate what's said from one language to another with a slight delay while this is happening. Live translation works on the iPhone to translate what you are hearing and what you are saying, so the person on the other end does not need to have an iPhone or even a smartphone at all. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily translate incoming phone calls on your iPhone in iOS 26 or later. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next one.